There are two animals on the planet that the Creator identified Himself with. The first one is the eagle, and the second animal is the lion, And when I identified those two animals as His favorite to identify Himself with, I recognized I better study those two animals, because if He is the leader of the universe and I want to be a leader on earth, I better find out the nature of those animals and also the attitude of those animals. And I discovered that both of them are the kings of their domain. The eagle is the king of the bird kingdom, and the lion is the king of the animal kingdom. But let's talk a little bit about the lion. The lion has what I call the spirit of leadership. And this word, spirit, is referring to the attitude. Everybody say attitude. A leader has an attitude that makes him or her different from followers. Now the lion is the king of the jungle. But the lion, to me, is a great source of encouragement to all of us. I want you to write this down and remember this as long as you live.